All right, we're cooking our chuck eye steaks today, and we're going to use some garlic powder, Longhorn, and some Montreal. So basically, I already doused it with some Longhorn already. Normally, I do is end up just going here, which normally everybody would normally do the same thing, so nothing special here. And go back over that, just go down in there. So the special part is going to be whenever we really, after we cook it. Come in with a little bit of garlic powder. Sometimes I'll just use a fork, get it to embed in there pretty good. But we'll come back to it here. All right, we got our skillet up to 400 degrees. Sometimes you can either, I'll cover it for a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and cover it for just a couple of minutes, maybe a minute or two. All right, we're going to go ahead and flip it real quick. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to take it out. We're going to take the steaks out now, and we're actually going to cut them real quick. All right, we got it all cut up now. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come in there and go ahead and do some of the Longhorn on there. Now, whoa, a little too much. I have to wash out with the machine. It's too much on there. Sometimes I'll come back with a little bit of nothing real spicy. Too much Longhorn will be too spicy. So I normally don't do Montreal back on there. But that's up to you. Man, that's thick. I'm going to do some more garlic powder. A little bit of salt. And kind of sear it in a little bit. Doing a little hibachi steakhouse style here. Getting them good and seared up. That's good. This is a stainless steel skillet, so I ain't worrying about it. You can literally scrape that stuff off and not damage the skillet at all. All right, there you go. Some afternoon lunch, seared up good. Steak for dinner or afternoon lunch.